Hey you, if you do some exploring, down below you'll find a wide variety of content ranging from reviews, YouTubers, welcome back, and today we're talking about the Black & Decker cordless lithium-ion battery weed eater / edger trimmer thingy. Yeah, this guy. Anyways, tutorials, or my most recent endeavors that revolve around the DIY and car community.
Hey, have you seen them?
Seen who?
These nuts.
Cause some came in the mail today. These nuts. Got him!
I think it's important to point out that I do video and graphics for a living, so there is a very professional side to me. And I know it may not always seem that way when I bring out this character. Looks like Sleeping Duty done messed up today. We won't be needing this. Henry! Oh, hell no! Sayonara, I got your phone! Good luck calling anyone! What in the Let's see what this piece of shit's all about. Just remember, YouTube is my conduit to express myself artistically and to possibly bring some laughter into a world that is, quite frankly, just too negative. You really need to just lighten up. And I know there's a time and place for everything, but this is my channel, and I'd rather see a smile on your face. Again, thank you for taking the time to check out my channel. I'll see you in the comments below.